Ever find yourself knee-deep in a DIY project or a home renovation, and suddenly, you're stuck with a mountain of waste? Welcome to Rock Creek Containers, where your solution to make your cleanup is as easy as hitting a like button. We're not just here to collect your waste, we're here to turn your cleanup into a celebration. Let's talk about the Rock Creek Containers advantage, but let's do it with some flair. Our dumpsters are like the superheroes of waste management. They come in all sizes, ready to rescue you from clutter chaos. And the best part? They're more reliable than your morning coffee. Rock Creek Containers turned my home renovation into a party. Their dumpsters are like the VIP section for your trash. We're not here to drop off dumpsters and vanish into the night. Oh no, we're part of the Traveler's Rest family. We know the local vibes and are here to ensure your waste management journey is as pleasant as sweet tea on a hot summer day. So there you have it, folks. If you want a dumpster rental experience that's efficient and brings a smile to your face, Rock Creek Containers is the name you need to remember. Visit our website at www.rockcreekcontainers.com, Dumpster Rental Travelers Rest SC, or give us a call at 828-692-9017. For a dumpster rental company that will make you want to do a little dance, trust Rock Creek Containers. Let's rock your cleanup together.